only hear this our brother kuna video kwa moon that now the same thing Israel na gabiga, the same thing can the Biafra Mazen Namdekano na gabiga. Oh, kuchada afternoon was no go maybe I give into maybe I notice it because now a lot of people has been brainwashed into that and I know Israel na choko. And when we travel back in time, and a lot of people are also trying to also write a way that an Israeli can afford each from Israel and Bible. No. We're changing. Development better. Technology, but that's they entered into their own territory, their own zone. How we make again we take more advanced technologies. For us, it's a lie. Israel is paid a consequences of their disobedience. In other words, that is your punishment for your disobedience to the Lord your God that saved you from the land of Egypt. Ndị mmadụ na-anụsi Israel ọgụ na ha achọrọ ka ndị Lebanon na ndị otu ha bata na their border. If you go border between Palestine and Egypt, God, border had a higher than border between America and Mexico, and not the more fortified. Then why can't you allow your fellow Arab bonus in a whole netisiana? Kahana batabuno, Akauno Chichoka, how we happy is Israel Kahana Batabe. Israel started defending themselves. When Ndano Banabe Israel had 2 years ago, we take Buebu, kidnap kidnap, see underground or also. And when Kwanda Potase, Nda Mahalo and them also Israel be to defend the bomb against the external enemies. Akwya bunande mada bulohanono Israel mahalo Israel busisi omazi walanda no wanapota alwa bonka ebe hansi abo operation from monogo from schools wolu omazi tosa nihu tonozi ana azu omazi na agba egbe keziki yesi we cho egbe onya hanu na azu omazi egbe tata egbe omazi a you are not seeing that nanda ji mmadu eme human shield will hospital na eme shield ebe ha na esi agbapụta ibe watch those things enough na most of them si chana residential buildings apụta ishoba mmadụ gbaba na akita o manozinu na osi na wall ha bugwachi egbuwa we pụọ about 10 buildings si na agafe n'ime that 10 buildings people bichakwa die o ọdọnọkwa n'ime uncomplete window mmadụ ọdọnọ na agba RPG isisi hapụ ha. So the same thing na Nigerian government in the Biafra. As so many times when Africans expose the chaka and damisa to us, the same thing can happen. Uno putuna welu Boko Haram repented criminals. Tina Nigerian army send the ha nearby, hapta ha nebu nabo. Almost I can dem maris wear yatia. Sina yanda no one a madroma, unebo han habo terrorists. You can say exactly the same thing in amen. Mananyandiba, and this video no learn.
What Israel are going through in Middle East is the same thing Igbos are going through in Nigeria. Now, before I tell you the reason why I make this claim in this video, there are a lot of you that did not know me very well, and I want to clear myself to you people who don't know me very well. A lot of you have followed me for long, but I don't still understand what I stand for. Now, if I make video and you go to my comment section and comment me or send me inbox and start praising me, that one no mean say if you fuck up or your tribe fuck up or your religion fuck up, I no go call this group of people out. I will. You praising me does not mean you are my friend, or you go do something I go just overlook, or your tribe go do something I go overlook, or your religion go do something I go overlook. Nobody with me I no go fit call out if I see say this person fuck up. Even if you dey give me money, your money where you dey give me, which una no dey even give me, is not superior to my truth. I will always say the truth. There is a video I make calling Peter Obi out an article, how they don't mess up and all of that. And I receive a lot of attack from Igbo people. And for this reason, a lot of people went to my DM and start telling me, I tell you, Igbo people are not good. You like supporting them and all of that. Even say it on the comment section of that video, that Igbo people are bad and all of that. Now, one thing you should know is, I'm not supporting anybody. I'm not supporting Igbo. I'm not supporting Yoruba. I'm not supporting my own tribe. I'm just here to speak fact and truth. And those of you that always say Igbo people are not good and all of that, my question to you is, Is your own tribe good? Tell me one tribe that is good in Nigeria. All tribe in Nigeria, none of them are good. All tribe in Nigeria, we are one way or the other the problem of this country. So let's stop pushing that energy of Igbos are not good people. That energy will go, you say Igbos are not good people. If we channel the energy, they come together and fight the bad and corrupt government if we don't solve the problem of this country. Now let me dive into the reason why I'm doing this video. As a Benue boy, I observe every tribe and wetin they capable of. And this is what I've observed about Igbo people when I studied. Now, do you know that in Middle East, Israel are the ones suffering more, and Israel are the one people blaming more for defending themselves. Israel are more intelligent among the old people in that Middle East. Israel are the #1 intelligent people. And what Israel represent in that place is fighting for their safety and freedom. What is the whole world doing? People wey no get sense see Israel being the problem of Middle East, whereas Israel is the victim. But because he choose to defend and fight for himself, now see Israel as problem of Middle East, instead of seeing them as a victim, people that want to defend themselves, want to fight for their own liberty and freedom. But people did not see the angle of them being the victim. But because they retaliate, they keep fighting for their freedom because they don't want to allow their enemy to consume them. People start seeing them as the problem. The same thing go to Igbo people in Nigeria. I'm not an Igbo person, but without being sentiment and bias, out of all the tribe in Nigeria, the most smartest people are Igbos. You guys cannot take that credit from them. I know they hype them. Now facts. Yes, Yoruba are more educated, but Igbos are more smart when it comes to smartness than any tribe in Nigeria. When it comes to my own tribe, Middle Belt, we are into farming, agriculture now we sabi pass. So every tribe have their role they play in Nigeria. That is why we are not one people. We are different people because we get different kind of mentality for Nigeria. Igbos are the most smartest people in Nigeria. Our government and the whole world understood this. Even British understood this. That is why they will always push propaganda against Igbo. The freedom of Igbo is the freedom of individual tribe in Nigeria. I did not understand this before. I used to insult Igbo people too when they call division. But when I sit down, now I say this is the angle this problem is coming from. The liberation of Igbo people is liberation of every other tribe in Nigeria. The British understand this. Nigerian government understand this. That is why they will pay and do everything to push propaganda against Igbo. That is why you see every tribe ganging up against Igbo people. Despite even them being the victim. Igbo are the China of Nigeria. Even before you dey hear those products of China, na Aba made with the ones here. Igbo are people that manufacture their own gun by themselves. Give Igbo man something to manufacture. He go do am. It may not look exact, but he go do am according to the money where you give am. So stop pushing this agenda of, oh, Igbos are the problem. Every one of us are the problem. Me, I understand, say the day where Igbo go free. Now that day, individual tribe for Nigeria go free. British understand this. Government understand this. You, as individual tribe, you don't understand them. That is why you continue to see Igbo man as a problem. Do not dispute this fact. Even some Igbos, wey no smart, they among Igbos, where they give Igbo bad name, that one is certain. Man, I don't dey talk too much for this video. But mind you, whether you are an Igbo person, Yoruba person, Hausa, Ibibi, name it. If you fuck up, I go call you out. You are not above my calling out. The day where I go pie, now I go shut up my mouth. Anyway, share your thought on the comment section responsibly. And for those that love to cry responsibly on the comment section. Thank you.